Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. On this sunny, hot, humid day, I have the JJRC X22. This is a new budget drone on the market. What's so great about it? Well, you get a nice bag. I guess that's pretty great. Inside, I'll pull out the drone and tell you about it. Opening this up, you can see we have a controller and we have the drone and a pile of batteries. Like pretty much all drones on the market today, it is foldable with brushless motors. It does have a 3-axis camera gimbal up front. It does take 6K photos, but only about 2.7K video. I don't know why they didn't put 4K, but yeah, it shoots 2.7K. It does have a 33-minute flight time, and apparently, it has a range of 6,000 meters. That's 6 kilometers. I'll put what that is in miles someplace over here. Now, this is one of those budget drones with 360 obstacle avoidance, except for some reason, when Banggood sent me this one, they forgot to include the obstacle avoidance module. So they sent me the one without, so I can't show you the obstacle avoidance here, but if it was here, it fits into this little hole up top, and when you put it on, you can control it from the controller. Now, I have flown this in my house. This is a drone you can fly in your house. You just turn the GPS off. It does fly quite stable, so the optical flow on the bottom must work. There is a landing light as well, as you can see here. When you power it on, the landing light comes on. I don't know if it ever turns off, but in my house it stayed on the whole time. And you can place a micro SD card in the side, which I highly recommend, so that you can record your video and photos onto it. Although if you don't, your video and photos will be recorded on your phone in a lower resolution, but at least you'll have them. All right, so since it's such a humid day out here today, I'm gonna quickly review this. So here we go. So as you can see, it's gravelly rocks down here, and I like to kneel down when I start up these drones to get everything configured. So I got a mat from my Jeep. I'm just gonna stick it here, put my knees on that, and hopefully my creaky old legs don't crap out. All right, here we go. So first things first, put the antennas up. I have a little GoPro over here that you can see all this. Pull out your little handles and you're all set to go. And then turn on the power. It's on the side right here, on. And we're all good. We can put this aside. Next, take your drone and power that on. Come on, I should hear some music. There we go, put that down. Now, one thing I've learned from flying this in the house is that if you want to then next connect your phone to the Wi-Fi of the drone, don't try to do it right away. Wait until you see on your screen that it's connected. You're gonna see a picture of the controller. It's gonna show the full battery, and then the drone is gonna say no battery. When they connect, you'll hear this thing scream out a noise or a sound or a beep or something. When that happens, then you connect the Wi-Fi from your phone to, there we go. All right, so I'm just gonna check on my phone to make sure I'm connected on Wi-Fi, because once you connect once at your house, when you get out to some place where there's no Wi-Fi, it remembers. So yes, on my phone, if my phone screen is recording, I am connected to the Lula 5G of this. So we're all good to go. Now, another trick I will tell you about is when you start up the app is made for the people in China, not for the people in North America. So it's gonna want you to log in and all that stuff. Ignore all that. I'll show you how to ignore it. The app on my phone is called H-Fun Fly. So I'm gonna tap on that. And you see it says log in and all that stuff. Hopefully my phone is recording here, the screen. So anyways, it says log in. Look at the top left, there's an arrow. Hit that and get out of that, and then hit the start button. There we go. And then confirm, make sure you hit that, hit got it. And now you can see we're connected and we're ready to go pretty much. Now, these antennas are real. On a lot of these controllers, the antennas are fake, but since it goes 6 kilometers, these antennas are real. So somehow, I don't know how they expect you to do it. You have to keep the antennas up like that, and put your phone in. So the only way I can do it is by doing this. You know, see, I've squished the phone and the antennas. Can you see it in the GoPro? It's like the antennas are this way and then the phone. That's the only way I can get it to work. We have to do a compass calibration. So on your controller, GoPro, are you seeing this over here, GoPro? This is the button you press. You press it once, and that means compass calibration, and it shows me on my phone screen. So I'm gonna do it. So once, twice, until it tells me to put the nose down. Just spin it. Hopefully it doesn't get my Jeep over there. There's a beep. It says put the nose down, spin it again. There we go, we're done. Okay. Now what it does after all that calibration is it's going to set up the camera in the front, the 3-axis gimbal. Can't remember on this one. Do I have to do one more calibration? I fly so many drones that I can't remember. There's another one for, I don't know if I have to do a gyro calibration. Let me just check. Yes, it says you must do a gyro calibration. All right, so a gyro calibration means take these 2 joysticks. Can you see it, GoPro? These 2 joysticks, and pull down and to the right like this. Hold it there for a bit. The light should flash, and that should be a gyro calibration. Yeah, it works because I see the camera's doing all sorts of craziness. Now, another thing I have to tell you, and I don't know how I could explain this because I can't show you. The GoPro is probably not going to see it. Let me grab the GoPro over here. All right, GoPro, can you see this? No, you probably can't see it. So on the screen here, on the screen it says I'm on level 0. That's beginner mode. If you want to go to advanced mode, to fly in advanced mode, you have to hold this lock button down. Just hold it, don't release it until it beeps. There we go. Now it says I'm in level 1, advanced mode. The reason you want to go in advanced is because if you leave it in beginner, you're restricted on how far you can fly and everything else. You'll never get your 6 kilometers. All right, as I walk around, let me start up the motors and let's take it on up. Going up. GPS should be working, everything. See, the landing light is still on. Now, one thing unfortunately I have to tell you is that it's telling me my controller is low on power. I guess I didn't charge it fully. It says it's only got about half power, so I can only fly it for a bit. I'm flying it with one finger here, joystick, woohoo! Fly it over, go to the left. There we go. So, looks like I'm gonna have to do one of these flights where it's really short. Let's turn the camera on and show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, a really weird thing too, this is how you put the camera on. You turn this dial. One way is camera, video, and the other way is photos. Now I'm in video mode, so I can fly around here. I'll just show you this. Fly forward. There we go, that's video mode. So you should be getting some signal from the camera and then back to me. There we go. All right, time out, because in this video, I am gonna crash this drone. It's coming up, yes, you're gonna see me crash the drone. And when I crash the drone, I lose all the video on the micro SD card. It goes corrupt because of the crash, you know, the file didn't record properly. So because of that, the video you're gonna see that I show you in this review is from the video that came back to my cell phone. Remember at the beginning I said you can record to the micro SD card and you can also record to your cell phone. So of course the cell phone footage is still good, so that's what you're gonna see in this video. Now I know a lot of you are wondering, hey Steve, had you not destroyed this drone, what would the video quality look like? Well, I did fly this in my basement before I took it out, so I do have some video of me flying it in the basement. So check this out right now. This is the video quality from the camera under basement lights. That's not bad actually, because you know in a basement the lighting's not that great, but this is what the video quality looks as it's hovering in the air in my basement. Now you're probably wondering, what about the photo quality? You said it takes 6K photos. Well, here's a 6K photo that I took in my basement. Once again, under basement lighting. It doesn't look half bad. So I'm sure outside, had I not destroyed this baby, it would have looked pretty good. Anyways, back to the video. I might have to split this review up into 2 reviews. Oh, look at the bright lights in the front. That looks nice. The blue, can you see that? Here, I'll bring it at my head. I better get out of the way. There, see the blue? Nice, eh? Okay, so this is where things start to go a little bit downhill, which is going to lead to the crash of this drone. And that is that we were having a heat wave. And because of that, my little iPhone 11 Pro Max, well, it was sitting in my Jeep, then it was sitting outside while I was getting this all set up and talking to you. And it got really hot. And because it got really hot, the screen goes very dim. So it's an iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's normal. You know, when the battery overheats and everything else, it goes dim. I have prescription sunglasses that I'm wearing in that video. They are specifically designed that you can still look at a cell phone and see the screen without the sunglasses affecting, you know, the display. So I have no problem there, but the problem is I can't see anything. It's pitch black on the screen. I can't see a thing. So I really can't see what I'm supposed to do. Anyways, back to the video. This is turning out to be a crazy day. My iPhone has overheated now due to the heat and the screen has gone black. I could barely see anything on it. The brightness has just gone off. Oh, this is one of those days. All right, let me see if I can see something out here. I'm going to show you the different modes you can do. So you'll see this big circle if my screen record is working. Hopefully that works. And you'll see all the things you can do. You have VR mode, you have all these other things. I don't know if there's a follow me mode on here. There's a zoom, there's waypoints, there's orbit, all sorts of things. So I honestly don't know what to show you on here. Let me just click on one. Oh, that looks like a follow me up there. Hang on a sec. I think I see a follow me. Let's click on that. Yes, that looks like follow, confirm. Let's see if it goes out of control. It's going out of control. Where's it going? So here I start the GPS follow me, and normally on drones I'm used to, if you go GPS follow me and the drone is too close to your cell phone, because it only follows the GPS in your cell phone, it will tell you on the screen. But I can't see what it says. I can't see if it says it's too close. So I just go start and the drone goes into follow me mode, GPS follow me, but it stays at that distance. I was also hoping that the drone would back up go farther away from me, turn around, and then face me. But it didn't do that. It stayed at that short distance. So now I had a problem. The drone is too close to actually film me, follow me without banging me in the head or something else. So I have to turn that off. But we have an issue. I can't see my screen. Anyways, back to the video. Follow me usually means follow the cell phone. So for some reason, it thinks my cell phone's over there. It's probably because I'm too close. Oh, it does too. Look at it as I move. It's following all right, but it's like, where are you? You're too close to me to follow. All right, see, it's following. You can see it in my GoPro hat that it is following me, but I turned it on much too close, so you have to be farther away, or else it's going to follow your nose hairs. Well, it looks like it's kind of got me now. Okay, back to me again. Here's where things go way downhill at high speeds. So since I can't see anything on my phone, I can't turn the GPS follow me off. And because of that, I need to see what's on my phone to find the turn off button so that I can restart it. So the only thing that comes to my tiny little goldfish brain is to take the phone and stick it someplace where there's shade. Hey, look over there. There's my Jeep. If I walk to the bed of my Jeep and go underneath the back tarp, you know, the area underneath the Jeep, then I should have enough shade to see what's on my cell phone. Not realizing that the drone in GPS follow that wants to follow the cell phone will keep following the signal from that cell phone. And once it loses it, it's just gonna go out of control. So that's pretty much what happened. Check this out. I can't see a thing here. All right, I gotta go in my Jeep. Yeah, I'll go over here. Whoa! Ding! All right, that didn't follow me. That followed the ground. Whoa! 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 All right. So I think that's the end of this review. Yeah. When I stuck my head with this controller inside the Jeep, well then, I guess it lost all signal and said, "Where are you?" And it went looking for me. Yikes. Well, that was so good, but let's see how it survived that crash. So, oh, I think the camera gimbal is dangling to be no more of a camera gimbal. All right, so nobody's gonna put my review on their website because I just destroyed this little guy. Darn! I was having fun with it. So I guess to show you the damage, check this out in the video here. Here's the damage of my gimbal. The plastic is broken, everything's pulled off. It is fixable. I did fix it with duct tape. I know it's ridiculous, but look at, I put a big strip of duct tape on and it fixed it. And it is workable, but you know, I'm not gonna go out and review this drone again because it's got a big piece of duct tape all over it, so it's really not gonna function the same way. Anyways. All right, guys, the next thing I could show you is what comes in the box when it's brand new and doesn't look like it's been ran over by a Mack truck. Check this out. This is the box your drone comes in. Inside that box, you'll find a very nice shoulder bag. Inside that shoulder bag, you'll find your drone and accessories. You'll notice your drone is shiny new and looks like this. The included 3-cell LiPo battery is 3,300 milliamp hours. Total takeoff weight of the drone is 522 grams. The included rechargeable controller comes with a very nice display. The buttons are well laid out and they pretty much are self-explanatory. Accessories include spare props, spare screws, a screwdriver, a USB cable, and a manual. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put links to this guy below. I know, don't you love that when I destroy drones? It doesn't happen often. Well then, this is a parts drone now. I probably, well, maybe not, could fix the inside of this camera. Nah, probably not. It would never work the same. So anyways, that's what happens when drones hit gravel. If it was on grass, it would probably still be alive, but gravel kind of killed it. So I say, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions on this drone, post them below. If you enjoyed this video with all the heat and humidity, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that very much. And we'll catch you in another video where I try not to crash and destroy everything I touch. Till then, I say bye.